Hey, are you planning to go on a date with your partner at the coffee shop? But you don't know how to order coffee in English. Don't worry dear, I will help you in this video how to order coffee in English. Welcome to my channel Speak India Academy. My name is Sandeep, your spoken trainer. So let's start how to order coffee, and to make an impact on your partner, it's very important to order the coffee in English. Let's get started. First of all, to order a coffee, we have to understand the sizes that coffee shop offer to us. First is small, medium and large as usual, but some coffee shops offers tall, grande and venti. What are these? Small is for tall, medium is for grande, large is for venti. Now, which types of coffees they offers? First one is espresso. Espresso is a black coffee. It is concentrated and gives you instant energy. First one is espresso. It's not espresso, it is espresso. That means it is black coffee. It gives you instant energy. Next one is latte. It's not latte, it's latte. Latte is a coffee. It is black coffee plus steamed milk. Black coffee plus steamed milk. Espresso plus steamed milk, that becomes latte. Next one we have cappuccino. Cappuccino word you are familiar of. Cappuccino is a latte plus milk froth. Milk froth, the topmost part of the coffee, and it's very tasty. Okay, cappuccino is very famous word actually. We all love to drink cappuccinos. Next one is frappuccino. Frappuccino is a coffee which is also known as cold coffee. Cold coffee. Now the youngster love to drink cold coffee, that is frappuccino. What? Frappuccino. Now last one is mochaccino. Mochaccino is nothing, just a coffee with a chocolate flavor. Okay, so espresso is a black coffee, latte is a black coffee plus steamed milk. Next one is cappuccino. Cappuccino is a black coffee plus steamed milk plus milk froth. The design you see, okay, heart one. Next one is frappuccino. Frappuccino is cold coffee, and the last one is mochaccino. Mochaccino is a coffee with the chocolate flavors, but they also offers milk on it. So which kind of milk we have to go for it? Now, first one is whole milk, like regular milk. Now next one is low fat. Low fat milk is preferred by the people who are very concerned about their health and the calories. I'm not. Okay. Now next one is organic milk. Organic milk is nothing, just organic things. Like people who want to eat organic vegetables, organic fruits, they love to drink organic milk in their coffees. Now last one is soy milk. Soy milk is a milk which is obtained from a plant or soybean. So it is also kind of milk. Now, what kind of flavors do we add in our coffees? First one is chocolate, caramel, hazelnut and vanilla. Chocolate flavor is very known to all of us. Then caramel is also a flavor. Hazelnut and vanilla is also good. Now, excuse me. Whipped cream and scoop of ice cream. These two things also we can add our coffees to make it tasty and lovely. Now if you want to eat something along with your coffees, you can go for pastry, sandwich, even pancakes or cookies also. But the most important thing, yes, we all know these kind of things, okay, we have understood, but how to order coffee? So the phrase is, you can use in the coffee shops, I would like to have, and whatever you want to like, you can just say, like for an example, I would like to have a small cup of cappuccino with whole milk and a scoop of ice cream. Or you can also say, I would like to have a large espresso, and if you want to eat something, you can also say, I would like to eat a sandwich. By this, you can like order your coffee, and if you are wanted to speak in English or order in English, you can follow these structures, these phrases, and you can order your coffee with full confidence, and it will make you it will make impression your partner. So for more such videos, follow Speak India Academy, and don't forget to like the like button. Have a good day.